Did you know? Sheep possess an impressive ability to recognize individual faces, both of their fellow sheep and humans. Research has shown that they can remember and distinguish between faces for years, which is crucial for maintaining social bonds within their flock. As inherently social animals, sheep thrive in groups known as flocks. Their strong flocking instincts are a defense mechanism against predators. By staying together, they enhance their chances of survival. Studies have shown that sheep can learn to navigate mazes and solve problems when motivated by food rewards. They exhibit behaviors indicative of cognitive complexity, such as recognizing patterns and remembering locations. Follow for more animal facts.